Hi guys, how are you? Today we are going to continue how to design our pneumatic system. We already select our compressor, our receiver, dryer, our piping in the last video. So today we are going to continue with the air filter and water oil separator. We are going to start with our water oil separator. So first of all, we need to know the total amount of water in the air drying by the compressor. So here we have some factors that there's actually a table. This is also for Atlas Copco. We have relative humidity, ambient or room temperature, running or working hours. So this is the okay. This is something that is really helpful for this video. So for relative humidity factor, I put the 0.74 percentage, about 80%, because in the first condition, the first video of our compressor selection, we said that we have an average of relative moisture or humidity of 78. So I'm consider 80 just to not do more calculations. So for room or ambient temperature, we said our maximum room temperature is gonna be 30 degrees, so it's the same. And for working hours, I'm considering in the middle. I'm just putting in the middle because that's gonna depend on you. This video is just an example of how to design your numeric system, so I'm just putting in the middle. So we have these three notes, and then you need to know your compressor flow. That's for also for the first video of your in this case for Schiller 45 class. Then you should actually just multiply. That's gonna be your first condition. So this is in liter per second, remember. Then now you need to know the amount of moisture in the air after drying. So for this you need to know the percentage of water after drying. So first of all, you need to know how much water are in your ambient temperature. So remember that we said we are in 30 degrees. So this is the table that we have, 30.078. This is in grams cubic meter. So now so this is a table that you, for punto de rocío, as you're reading, is the dew point. So you're gonna, this is just to know how much water are in the air for different temperatures. So in this case, for 30 degrees, it's here, so you know it. This is in grains per liter. Now we have in the dew point 6 degrees. It's here. So I'm just putting it in liters. So now I'm just to know it. It's just how much is this of this. Then we have the same condition, but the difference is it's here in the room temperature factor. This is the same for humidity, relative humidity. It's the same for working hours. The same for our compressor flow, and the difference here for room temperature. As you know, well I put it here in Spanish, but now this should be for 40 degrees. Remember, as we said for our dryer selection, the inlet dry temperature, you should consider 10 degrees above of your maximum room temperature. So that's the reason why for here I'm considered for 40 degrees. For 40 degrees is 30%. So now you're the same, you're gonna multiply. This is gonna be your amount of moisture in the area of drying. So your condensation flow or your condensate flow is the difference, just the difference of what's continued with the in the air. So now you have 42 point, well, almost 43 liters per second. So with this node, you should select now your water oil separator. So this is a table, and we are in liter per second, 43. So you should go to the nets, up to the nets. So in this case, you have 25 liter per second, and the next one is 50 liter per second. So you should select it. In this case, the model OSC 50. Well, you know, this is the water oil separator that you should select. So now we have to continue with our air filters. This is the flow of consumption. Remember, for our compressor selection, we said that we have a total demand of 118. So this is something that we should consider for the air filter selection. Then we're gonna have our pressure factor, because our inlet pressure, our inlet pressure is our working pressure of our pneumatic tool or pneumatic system is gonna be 6 bar or 87 psi. So this is the 92%. So that's the reason why here we have 92%. So now you just multiply, and to put it in cubic meter per minute. Why? Because here there's a table of Schuler that needs in cubic meter per minute. So I have 6.51, and so we have 3.68, and the next one is 6.79. So this is our air filter that we need for our pneumatic system, the FS 240. So that's just how you select your air filter and your water oil separator. So now we have some picture here. This is for Schuler water oil separator and some air typical filters. So now we just complete this. Something that you should remember is that, as you know, I don't have my English is not the best, so if you have some question, please do not hesitate to do it. I'm gonna be answering all your questions. Thanks for all, and have a nice day.